ManageEngine Patch Manager Plus overview. My hands-on experience with this patch management software. After using ManageEngine Patch Manager Plus for a little over a year now, I can confidently say it's one of the more robust and reliable patch management tools I've worked with. As someone responsible for keeping systems updated across multiple platforms and endpoints, I was initially skeptical about how much automation this tool could really offer. But honestly, it exceeded my expectations. What stood out to me right away was how incredibly smooth the automation of the patching process is. I could literally schedule and execute an entire month's worth of patches, including third-party applications, with just a few clicks. It handled everything from downloading patches to testing and deployment, saving me hours of tedious work every week. One of my favorite features is its cross-platform support. I've used it for Windows, macOS, and Linux environments, especially RHEL-based systems, and while it mostly works great, I've had the occasional frustration with Red Hat links hitting dead ends, like 404 errors when trying to reach missing RPM files. That said, it usually recovers well or lets me know what failed and why. The user interface is pretty clean and intuitive, and even though some of my teammates aren't very technical, they've been able to figure out how to use the dashboard quickly. The ease of use rating at 4.4 feels spot on. Where Patch Manager Plus really shines is in its value for money. With a rating of 4.7 for value, I think it's more than justified. You get centralized control over your patching strategy, detailed compliance reports, automated testing environments, and a level of customization that's rare at this price point. It also integrates nicely with other tools in the ManageEngine suite, which makes it easier to manage endpoint security holistically if you're already using other solutions like Desktop Central or Endpoint Central. Support-wise, I've had a great experience. Whenever I hit a technical snag, like when an agent stopped reporting back from a remote branch, their support team was quick to respond and walk me through the logs and diagnostics. Still, I do think the failure reasons could be more transparent. Sometimes the deployment fails, and it's not super clear if it's the machine, a missing prereq, or a connectivity issue. That's one area where I think the platform still has room to improve. What I appreciate most is how ManageEngine is always improving the product. They're clearly listening to user feedback and rolling out regular updates. It feels like they're committed to staying competitive in this space, and as a user, that makes me want to stick with them. The community support and knowledge base are strong, and their documentation is actually useful, something you don't always get with enterprise tools. Overall, ManageEngine Patch Manager Plus has helped me keep patching stress-free and consistent across my network. From managing hundreds of endpoints to pushing urgent patches quickly during a zero-day alert, it's been reliable and efficient. If you're looking for a tool that balances powerful automation with ease of use and solid support, this is one I'd definitely recommend.